Hi, my name is Tim Yockey, owner of ClarisCrystal.com. We have a large presence on Amazon, and just wanted to make this video to highly recommend my Amazon guy for how they helped me. I ran into a problem several months ago where some hackers and bots had hijacked some of our listings, and we got not a lot of help from seller support on Amazon. So we found my Amazon guy and immediately felt better once we contacted them. Members of their team went immediately to work for me and fixed a lot of my problems quite quickly. Some of the problems we had were a little bit harder to fix, but they did not give up, and they did what they promised they would do, which was fix all of the ones that we had set out to fix. And the prices are definitely reasonable. They are responsive, kind, and easy to work with. So we highly recommend working with my Amazon guy for any kind of problem you have selling on Amazon. And I will continue to keep them in my contacts because I have several more projects I'd love to work with them on. So again, great company, and I'm glad I found them. They were a lifesaver.